In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI agents that use Gemini and post everything in Slack. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow in Zapier that listens for something you care about, lets an AI step shape that information, and then creates a Slack channel automatically so your team sees everything in one place. First, open Zapier.com and log in. Use your preferred sign-in method, and once you're in your dashboard, create a new Zap. You can give it a name so it's easy to recognize later, but that part is optional. Next, add your trigger. This is what starts the automation. You can fire it from a new form response in tools like Google Forms or Typeform, a new task in your project manager, a new row in a spreadsheet, or even a keyword posted in Slack. Pick the app, choose the exact event you want, connect the relevant account, and then run a quick test. The test sample is what Zapier and your AI step will use as example data, so make sure it looks representative of the real thing. Now add the AI step. Click Add Step and choose AI by Zapier or OpenAI Chat. If you're using Gemini, select it through your chosen AI app or model picker. The setup flow is the same. In your prompt, ask the AI to generate a clean Slack channel name from the trigger data, summarize the request, and format the channel name in lowercase with hyphens only. Being explicit here pays off. For example, tell it to avoid spaces, punctuation, and emojis in the channel name and to keep names short and descriptive. With the AI output ready, add Slack as the next step and choose Create Channel. Connect your Slack workspace if you haven't already. For channel name, map the AI's channel name field so it passes through automatically. Decide whether the channel should be private or public, and optionally select team members to auto-invite. If you run into permissions issues, check that your Slack role can create channels and invite members and confirm the name isn't already taken. Time to test. Click Test Action and let Zapier create a real channel. Hop into Slack and confirm it appears in your sidebar. If something looks off, revisit the AI prompt or the field mapping and test again until it's right. When everything looks good, turn your Zap on. Your automation is now live and ready to spin up Slack channels the moment your trigger fires. If you need guidance as you build, click Copilot in the Zap editor. If you're prompted again, click it once more to reopen it and get suggestions without leaving your flow. That's it. You've made an AI-powered workflow that uses Gemini and keeps your team organized in Slack.